Grab a piece, y'all. Grab a piece. I was crying like the whole entire time though. Good afternoon, everybody. What is up? It's your girl Fern. What a beautiful day today, you guys. It's nice and sunny. Today is Tuesday. It's about 4 o'clock right now. Hannah is down for a nap. I'm about to go out to get my lashes done because your girl has not done anything in a long time, and I feel like I need to get pampered up because normally when y'all see me, I'm a mess, okay? I hardly take care of myself anymore ever since I've had Hannah, you know, like I don't know, I'm just like always in the rush. I just don't take the time for myself. But today I want to take the time and get a little dolled up because I hardly wear any makeup nowadays, and I feel like the lashes will help a lot even if I don't have makeup on. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my lashes done. I'm thinking about going to the place that Alex's girlfriend went to. By the way, Alex is Jiu-Jitsu Passport on YouTube. His girlfriend Miley went to get her lashes done the other day, or I saw on his vlog, and I'm gonna go check that place out. And also I found this other place in South Pattaya that I want to go check out as well. So I'm gonna check out a couple of places because the place that I went to before, they've closed. So yeah, I need to get a new lash lady, and I'm gonna take you guys with me and it should be fun. Here we are, you guys, Lux Nail Salon. This is the place that I spotted the other day. It's $5.99 for eyelash extensions. Shoes off. Anyway, guys, I'm at this shop. I've chosen to get it done here. The shop is really clean. It has AC, y'all, which is nice because it's so hot outside. And she also does nails, as you can see over there. Very cool. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. They have different prices here. It depends like how thick you want your lashes to be. I didn't want it to get it too thick where it looks like too fake, you know? It's like in your face. I didn't want like that style. So I went with like something in between. Hopefully it looks good. Well, my legs are up. Yeah, hopefully it looks good. We'll see once it's done. Y'all, I am so comfy. Eyelashes are done, you guys. I was crying like the whole entire time though. How do I look, you guys? I think it looks pretty good. Looks better than how it looked before. I'm really happy with the results. Other than my eyes burn a little bit. I think the glue that they used there was like really strong. Hopefully it lasts a really long time. But I love how it looks. Like it looks really natural. It's not like too much like in your face, like, you know, not like too much. No, I think it looks good. I'll keep you guys updated to see how long this lasts. Hopefully it lasts a long time. Well, not like a long time, but at least hopefully it lasts for at least like 3 weeks. That's what I'm hoping for. And she also gave me a little brush to brush out my lashes in the morning so that it looks, you know, nice and clean. Anyway, I'm gonna get going now. I'll catch you guys later. And now I'm home, you guys. I started making dinner. Tonight's dinner is gonna be fried chicken, well, fried chicken wings over here with stir-fried morning glory. It's gonna be delicious, and my eyes aren't stinging anymore. Hopefully my lashes will last for a little while. I'm really happy with how they look. They look pretty natural, which is what I was going for. I didn't want something like too like, you know, in your face and look like I have spiders crawling out of my eyeballs. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna continue to make dinner. This looks amazing, you guys. All I put in here was some Knorr chicken flavor and also a little bit of salt, garlic, black pepper, a tiny bit of oyster sauce, and that is pretty much it, you guys. Y'all, look how golden brown it looks. It looks fantastic. Yum. Grab a piece, y'all. Grab a piece. Let's try out one of these chicken wings. Y'all, it's still so hot. Delicious. Kenapa tuh tapi dijapin aja tuh? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Look at dinner. Toi c'est quoi? Toi c'est quoi mon amour? Oui, tu vas miam miam. Anyway, you guys, we're about to have dinner. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button because it really does help support my channel. And if you guys are new, please consider subscribing. Bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Anna, c'est bon?